Ethical Consideration in Machine Learning, Plotogone video done by 22 PMC 113 Animesh Thomas, cafeteria 11 a.m. during break.
Hey John, why were you absent yesterday?
I had fever yesterday. Anyway, now I am okay.
Okay John.
Hey Jesse, how's yesterday's class?
Yesterday our teacher introduced a very interesting topic, machine learning.
Oh, I missed that.
Don't worry John, I will teach the topic to you. After the class we can meet in the library. Come, let's go to library.
Yes, let's go.
First I will teach what machine learning is.
Okay Jesse.
Machine learning, ML, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values.
Okay.
Now we discussed about machine learning, next we should discuss about what are the ethical considerations in machine learning.
Okay, what are those?
As well as potential benefits. There is increasing awareness that the application of machine learning poses risks and can lead to harms, raising a range of ethical questions. First one is accuracy.
Okay.
The accuracy of an ML model is the proportion of examples for which it generates a correct output. In general, high accuracy is a good thing, and low accuracy can lead to harms, for example where facial recognition systems are used in law enforcement. But highly accurate facial recognition systems can also pose risks to privacy and autonomy, for example mass surveillance. In some areas such as credit scoring or loan approval, increasing the accuracy of predictions might come at the cost of requiring access to too much personal data.
Okay, which are the other points?
Next one is bias. Bias has a number of meanings, including a systematic deviation from a true value. This can be positive or negative. Bias is a prominent concern in ML ethics, where the concern more specifically is a systematic skew in decision-making that results in unfair outcomes. Next one is security and safety. Safety and security. Safety includes that an ML system should be accurate, but also that it should be reliable, perform as intended, and continue to do so over time, secure against adversarial attacks, and robust enough to do these things in real-world, unpredictable and sometimes challenging conditions.
Okay.
Next one is privacy. There are a number of ways in which ML systems can pose risks to privacy. One is where systems that undermine privacy operate without a user's knowledge or explicit, informed consent. This is true of systems that undermine privacy explicitly, surveillance systems, but also where undermining privacy is a potential byproduct of intended, legitimate use, for example if an ML system which has access to a user's video camera. There are also privacy concerns about the data used to train models. Data may be collected in a way which violates privacy, such as without consent from users, for example scraping personal information. Models may leak personal data, for example large language models, Whitinger. Legitimately collected data may also be compromised, for example through reverse engineering or infant-style attacks which can de-anonymize model training data.
Okay Jesse.
These are some important points our teacher discussed yesterday.
Okay Jesse, your explanation is very understanding. Thank you Jesse.